joy of the season that has flowered. The nightingale rejoices and delights, and courts his mate through the hedges. So I am sad, for I hear song and trills and cries, and I don't know how I am faring, for from envy my heart is nearly torn apart. Toward her whom I beseech and surrender myself,
my heart is not at ease. I was raised to serve her, so that every day, as a habit, I keep my eyes and heart on her. For I was not made for nor desire anything else, so that my spirit goes there in place of a messenger, to see her dwelling when I am asleep. Good lady, the first time you saw me, I gave you faithful homage, and you kept my heart as a pledge, for with a glance you wounded and seized it,
so that since then it has never been sought back, nor in another's lordship.
I do not change my path, so much do I delight in being
Your sworn and pledged man, in deeds and in appearance, and in you I have my intention. For through you I am enriched and praised,
and my song is thanked for it.
but because I do not leave proven,
I fear that I might be failing toward you. Good fortune and delight
it would be if you would hold on to me.